done, I can see some spot. I'm not sure if it's, you know, like these little spots where it's kind of skipped a little bit. I don't know if that's part of the file was like that or not, but because the rest of it colored in pretty well, it seems. I'll post the tool, you know, the toolpath data and stuff. I pretty much used a pocket. I used a pocket toolpath and just set the depth at it's like 0.02, and I zeroed out the marker tip on that corner over there, and I just made it like so the marker, you can see the little mark it made. There's a little tiny bit of black ink there. I made it so the marker was just touching that corner, and then I set all my zeros to that. The part that made me nervous is when I started it, you know, after zeroing and all that, it went to the tool setter. And I'm like, oh God, what's it gonna do when it hits that tool setter? Because it is like a spring-loaded thing. And it did set it right. It seemed to, it touched down on the tool setter. And then, but when it came over here, it started drawing and it was like 4 inches in the air. I don't know why, but so I stopped it and I re-zeroed again. And when I started it this time, it didn't go to the tool setter, I guess because it had already started. But then it worked fine. It seems to work great. So this is great. And I was gonna cut out the mouth because that whole mouth is gonna get cut out, but I was gonna do it on the CNC, but I didn't do that tool path when I was doing this, so I don't want to start over and re-Z, and then I don't know, it might be a little bit off. I'll just cut that out with a knife. This is only a 1/4 inch thick foam, like PVC foam board. Should be easy to cut out with a razor blade. And that's it. I'm handing this over to my daughter. She's going to paint it. I don't know what color she's going to paint it, but we'll see. And it is for a pickle toss game for my granddaughter's, my youngest granddaughter's 5th birthday. And she loves Parry Gripp, and supposedly there is a song about a manatee wanting pickles. So that's what this game is about. All right, I will take pics of the finished product at the party probably, and I'll add it to the end of this video. All right, take care, guys. And I'll put links to everything else, like this thing. I got it from a great guy on Etsy that makes those with a 3D printer. Someday I'll get into that maybe too, but not for now. I'm good with this. All right, take care. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please like and subscribe and share it as much as you can. Thank you. Take care, people.